Leah, what are you doing here?
Auntie, I finished up in the kitchen, so I was just going to my room.
What do you mean you already finished the work? Girl, you're living here for free. Do I have to start counting out all your duties for you? Go iron my clothes and hang them up, you lazy girl.
Yes, Auntie, I'll do it right now.
And I better not see you just hanging out in your room for no reason again.
Hey, Leah, sweetheart, can you make me a good cup of coffee?
Yes, Uncle, I'll make it right away.
You're a really good girl. I just sometimes get upset about the way your auntie treats you.
No, Uncle, Auntie is very kind. I mean, who takes care of someone else's child like this? I think of her like my own mother. Her words don't hurt me.
That's good. Why don't you make yourself a cup too? Let's sit out in the garden today and maybe do some gossiping.
Who are you two gossiping about?
No, Auntie, nobody, really.
Don't lie to me, girl. I know you're thinking about someone.
Leah, you go and make a cup of coffee. Come on, she's just a kid. Don't be so hard on her.
Ugh, lazy, useless girl. Yes, honey, I'm doing just fine. How about you? When will you be here?
Oh, looks like Jason remembered us today.
Come on, Dad. You know I could never forget you guys.
How's school going, son? This should be your last year, right?
Yeah, Dad. So, tell me, how's that little charity case of yours doing?
Hey, buddy, don't be disrespectful. I don't like the way you're asking. Her name's Leah, all right?
Sorry, Dad.
Wasn't your mom enough? Now you're piling on too? She's been making her life miserable from day one.
Forget it, Dad. You know Mom's always been like that. Leah is a really sweet and caring girl.
All you guys ever see are my faults. Who even bothers raising someone else's kid these days? And on top of that, she's that scumbag's daughter. Seriously, unbelievable. I told you this morning to make the grocery list and give it to the driver.
Sorry, Auntie, I completely forgot with all the work. I'll make it right away. Get these items from the supermarket, and here's the list for the meat.
Sure, I'll get them right away.
Can you also get me some books from the bookstore?
Have I ever said no to you before, dear? Just give me the list of books, and I'll grab them.
Thank you so much.
Why were you talking so much when you gave the list to the driver? I saw you two from the window.
No, Auntie, I was just telling him not to get any extra stuff.
Now go and take out Uncle's night pajamas and clean his closet too. Don't just stand there.
Okay, I'll do it.
Oh, Jason, you called after so long. I've been waiting for your call.
Why didn't you call when you were missing me? You always wait for me to call.
Oh, my son, don't you know how busy I am at home? And that stupid, good-for-nothing girl. She always gets on my nerves.
Leah and stupid. Come on, she takes care of the whole house. You barely get time from parties and friends.
This is also an important work, my son. Hey, Stella, where have you been? I haven't seen you since Monica's party.
I am good. A little tired, though. Work's been crazy lately. And on top of that, my jerk boss thinks I'm always free.
Oh, please. Your boss gives you more benefits than the other employees.
Well, I know how to make myself valuable. By the way, I am free in the evening. How about we go out?
That's amazing. Why don't you come to my house? That would be wonderful.
Sounds perfect. Ask your maid to make her special cookies for me.
Maid? Oh, you mean Leah? Why not? See you in the evening.
I got the stuff you asked for and put it in the kitchen.
Thanks. And my book?
Here's your book. How do you find time to read with such a busy schedule?
I love reading. You know how much I wanted to go to college, but couldn't do it after high school?
Yeah, sir is a good man. He lets you study.
Leah, what are you talking about?
Nothing. He was just telling me he got stuff from the market.
Aren't you and the driver getting a little too friendly? I keep seeing you two chatting away all the time. What are you hiding behind?
Nothing, Auntie. I just asked him to get me a book.
What book? And who gave you money for this? Give it to me.
Please, Auntie, no! I'll do all the work. Please let me keep it.
Where is this smoke coming from? Are you doing a bonfire, Cynthia? What the hell?
This is your reward for keeping the useless orphan of your friend at home.
What are you talking about?
I always kept an eye on her, and I finally caught her red-handed. Your princess was getting gifts from the driver.
No, please, I asked him to get it for me. I paid for it.
Wow! You are telling me that a poor and incompetent girl like you got money to buy such expensive books?
Leah, go to your room.
No, kick this girl out of the house today. I can't tolerate her anymore. Oh my God, Jason. What a surprise. You didn't tell us you were coming.
Yeah, I wanted to surprise you guys. But I guess I got a surprise too. Can anyone tell me what is happening here?
Nothing. Let's go inside, Jason. You must be tired.